Alrighty, folks, this is your sustained attention introduction lesson. All right, so if you look here, it says, I'll just pay attention to this lesson. Oh, look, a new text. So something that I'm going to kind of be referring to throughout this unit is Dory. So Dory, obviously, is very quick to jump around to different things, right? And she struggles to stay focused on one specific thing. And she does have the short-term memory loss, but she's kind of a good example of going along, and then whoop, she sees something and gets distracted easily. Okay, so put your phones on silent. Don't be looking at text during this lesson. All right, go ahead, take a minute to read through this comic. All right, it says, look, it's almost 11 o'clock. Wow, the last 2 hours really flew by. I hope the teacher didn't say anything important. Okay, so this shows our character obviously kind of zoning out, okay? So not paying attention to what he's supposed to do. Even if he's sitting in class looking like he is doing what he's supposed to do, sustained attention means actually paying attention and listening to what you're supposed to be listening to. All right, so sustained attention is being able to focus on a person or a task for a period of time. Okay, so not just listening for a second, but listening for a longer period of time. Okay, sustained attention would not be listening to one question and then zoning out. All right, being able to pay attention even when something is boring. All right, so instead of zoning out when something's boring, still being able to kind of push through, make sure you're paying attention. Being able to avoid distractions. All right, if we look at this, right, walking past a class that your friend is in, peeking your head in, right, maybe joking around with people around you, sneaking your phone, watching YouTube, okay? Lots of little distractions around us. And I know being at home, there are tons and tons of distractions. Okay, so being able to avoid that is a big part of sustained attention, okay? Can I focus on this task for 15 minutes, right, without checking Instagram or without checking Snapchat or without getting up and going to get a snack or without talking to my brother, okay? So how can this help us? Sometimes we can all use a little help, right? I know for myself, even just being at home and being able to focus and not get distracted by all the little projects around the house, by my husband, by my dog, everything else that's going around, right? It's really important that we're able to focus. So it can help us. It helps reduce our anxiety and stress, right? When you know what you're supposed to do and what you're doing, you won't feel lost, okay? So if I'm able to listen to my teacher's mini lesson, right, I'll be able to understand it and know what's going on, as opposed to feeling like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do. I wasn't paying attention. It also helps you get things done quicker, or what we call productivity, right? How much you're producing, how much you're getting done. Okay, you can get things done quicker, and the more you're focused on something, the quicker you're able to get it done, right? If I sit down and say, okay, I need to finish creating all these mini lessons, but I get up 15 times while I'm trying to make them, I'm probably not going to be able to get them done as fast as if I just sat down, right, and got them done. All right, it gives you more time to do other things that you want to do. Okay, the more I'm able to sit down and work on pounding out these mini lessons or getting your homework done or completing your chores, the more time you have for free time. All right, it also is positive socially, right? If you're having a conversation with your friend and you aren't able to listen to them or aren't able to focus, okay, that person might not think you're a very good friend. Okay, so it helps you socially by being a better friend. All right, and now I want you to go ahead and open up your Google form that's in your daily doc. And I want you to rate your own attention. And like I said, right, this is a skill. You're probably not going to be perfect at it, right? There's going to be things that you're going to be better at and things that you're going to be worse at. So the first question, what are some things that distract you or cause you to lose focus? Okay, for me, I write my dog, house projects, right? Often when I'm sitting in here working, I'm like, oh, I could just dust that shelf, or oh, I could just clean up this room. Okay, what else? My phone has already gone off twice while I've been making this video. Okay, need to make sure it doesn't distract me. What other things can cause you to lose focus? So go ahead and fill that in for yourself. Next one, I can read through an assignment and understand it well. True or false? Okay, some of you can read through them and understand it well and stay focused, others not. I have space to work where I don't get distracted. Okay, that's really important during this distance learning. True or false? I can focus on daily assignments and lessons. Always, sometimes, or almost never. Even if I'm bored or tired, I'm able to stay focused on schoolwork. Always, sometimes, or never. And then common attention challenges, right? There are a lot of common attention challenges that you might face. Click on all of them that apply to you. Having trouble staying focused in class or on lessons, that's you, click check. Having trouble staying focused when I'm completing an assignment, that's you, go ahead and check it. I am distracted by many different things. If that's you, go ahead and check it. Sometimes I zone out during a conversation. I am for sure guilty of this. And that's so go ahead and make sure you fill this out. Submit it. Once you have that submitted, you are done for today. Have a wonderful day.